Hi guys, welcome back to Jary Studio. So today we're going to do a beads haul and then a little bit of studio vlog, like behind the scene of how I'm doing those bracelet with these beads. So while you guys enjoy how I'm unpacking one by one beads and sharing all the beads that I have bought, I'm going to give you guys a little story time talking about how I started to be a small business owner since I'm primary. So during my primary school, I used to sell keychains. I think I will put some pictures on it so you guys can see which type of keychains that I sell during my primary school. Actually, my mom bought it and she suggested me to sell it to my friends, and I did it, and I really make profit from that. But after 1 to 2 weeks, my teachers found out and they kind of stopped me from doing that. The thing is, I listened to their advice and stopped everything immediately. Trust me, I regretted it so much right now. Why did I stop it? And after 2 to 3 years, I have my primary school exams, and I did a great job on that. Afterwards, I went to high school nearby my house. I totally forgot about my small business, keychains, and everything. And then I just focus on studies, making friends, having fun, those kind of teenagers. And then when I was Form 2 in my high school, I started a YouTube channel. I'm making like funny videos, jokes, those kind of days. I really miss it. But somehow one day my dad found out about the YouTube channel. He got quite mad and wanted me to stop it immediately because he thinks that it's unrelated to my studies or my future or the things that I wanted to do. So I listened to him and I stopped. To be honest, I'm quite unhappy and upset about it, but I'm just a kid. So I listened to my parents' advice and I focused on my studies. And then I was Form 5. I passed my SPM exams. I was a science stream student and I think I did a great job on that. I'm really satisfied with my results. So yeah, I joined Form 6 afterwards. I didn't join private universities or what, even though I wanted to. I wanted to join an architecture or computer science course, but I couldn't because my family, we will talk about that next time. So talking about this, I joined Form 6 and I started to picking up my YouTube channel back. I share about knowledge on how to study for your exams, sit for the papers for your Form 6 studies, everything that I know about study tips and whatsoever. I share about vlogs on my Form 6 life because that time is MCO, but then unfortunately I quit again. You may be questioning the reasons behind the decisions I have made, why I stopped YouTube, why I starting back up again right now. But yeah, let's keep it for the next video so that we can have more story time. Nah, just kidding. So I will just tell you the reasons why I stopped YouTube that time is because I have a 10 to 10 part-time work that time during 2 months break before I enroll into universities, and hence I don't have enough time for my YouTube videos. But after I enroll into universities, I started to get really active in club activities. I have been many events or programs. Hence, once again, I stopped YouTube until right now. I started my small business, which is selling handmade beaded stuff or soon, maybe polymer clay stuff also. I have been planning for it, so stay tuned. But currently I'm still selling beaded stuff. You guys can check out my Instagram account. So if you guys like what you saw, give me a like or follow my Instagram account, which is Jary Studio. I will mostly post new products or new updates or any announcement on the Instagram account, so you can get your latest updates on my Instagram account. Yep. So talking back about my university's era, I have been so packed up with activities, project management for the first 2 years. Now I'm a currently year 3 student for my universities, and I have finally stopped all the activities. It's not because of any reasons or like my parents says no, my lecturer says no. This time it was myself. I'm so tired and packed by those activities, and I really wanted to start doing what I really wanted to do for myself. And then I asked if my boyfriend wanted to join me in this business. He said yes, and here it is, Jary Studio. Even the name is the combination of our names, and he is my partner in this business too. So shout out to him. Thanks for being part of my business. Yeah. And since I have plenty of free time, I was thinking, why not I also do a YouTube channel for my small business, so that I can combine everything that I wanted and love to do together. And here I am, Jary Studio YouTube channel. And here I'm sharing about studio vlogs, how I'm doing those orders, some tutorials, and some vlogs. I'm taking my baby steps to grow my YouTube channel and my Instagram account for my small business. I really truly appreciate every one of you who subscribed to my YouTube channel, who supported me throughout the journey. And yes, I wanted to thank you all. Every like, every subscribe or follows, or even sharing my contents to your story, family or friends shows the biggest supports to us, to my small business. I'm really happy seeing all of you likes what I'm doing, and it's really hard to find someone that matches with your aesthetic, but you guys are the best. Okay, I'm now done with my story time, so now let's talk about the things I'm doing in this video. The beads I'm pouring out right now, I can call it Kuromi theme beads, because once I saw this pack of beads, I'm thinking about Kuromi. So I'm doing Kuromi theme bracelet. I think it's going to be pretty cute. For only 3 bracelets, I spent nearly 2 hours to complete it, just because the first bracelet have some little accidents. I accidentally pull the string and all the beads falls out, and I need to pick up one by one, as you guys see just now. These kinds of accidents is pretty normal for us, and I have personally encountered this situation for so many times that I can't even count. So what to do? We can just pick it up one by one, the beads too, and then redo everything again. That's why one thing I learned about making beaded stuff, having small business about beads, is that you need to be really careful when you're dealing with beads, especially small beads, because once you drop it, you can never find it. It's really frustrating, and especially you living with 2 cats. You know, cats' behavior, they like to eat or swallow anything, even that they don't know it's not edible. Another thing that I learned about business is not easy. It never was and it will never be. That's why shout out to all the small business owners out there. Stay consistent, stay happy, and enjoy what you are doing. Because that's the most important thing, is to be happy about what you are doing. About life, about living as a human beings, it's not easy. Everything is not easy, but just stay strong and everything will be okay. And as you guys can see, I'm finally doing the finishing of this bracelet. These 3 bracelets, thank God I'm finishing it. But it's all worth it. You guys can see it's really cute. That Kuromi bracelet, I think I will wear it someday and post it in my Instagram, so you guys stay tuned. And to be honest, the bracelet I'm doing right now is really cute, and what you say right now, very demure, very cutesy. Yeah, it's all just TikTok stuff, but look at that, it's so cute. I personally think that the second one is the most prettiest bracelet among all. It matches with my aesthetic, which is minimalist style, so I really liked it. And the last one I'm doing right now, it kinds to have a sunset theme of bracelet. Finally, I'm showing you guys the final products of this 3 bracelet. Thank you for staying with me until the very end. You guys have been with me until I finish the product. Sorry, I need to be cliche. We are coming to the very end of the video. If you like what you saw, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, or even give us a comment in the comment section. Alright, last few seconds of the final products, and that's all for today. Bye bye. Wait, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, bye. See you guys next time.